A weak circulation pattern across South Africa today brings mostly sunny skies to the central and western parts of the country, while along the east coast there'll be some cloud around, as well as a small chance of showers which may drift ashore from the Agulhas current. Further north, we're expecting it to be fairly cloudy at times along the eastern escarpment, and overnight fog expected across the area once again. Chances of rainfall for today, we're expecting up to a 20% chance of showers extending from Port Elizabeth and Cape St. Francis all the way through to Richards Bay, as well as into the interior of KwaZulu-Natal later on today, although chances are very low for rain across those areas. For the rest of South Africa, there's no rain expected for the whole of today. Taking a look at your maximums, where it's going to be mild in places across the interior of South Africa, especially cool along the eastern high ground, Bethlehem with a maximum of only 18 degrees, 23 for Mbombela and Polokwane further north, while towards the west, temperatures are rising quite significantly, 32 degrees for Vredendal and 26 for Cape Town, with lots of sunshine across those areas. A closer look at coastal conditions for today, where southeasterly winds extend from Langebaan all the way through to Alexander Bay between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour. Low swells of only 1.5 meters are forecast. The southwestern Cape coastline is going to be sunny and warm once again. Light winds around the peninsula, except towards Cape Point, where we're expecting southeasterly winds to get up to about 30 kilometers per hour and light winds for the Cape Agulhas area. Swells across the region will be fairly low as well, averaging at 2 meters and coming in from the southwest. Very light winds are expected along the south coast today, 10 kilometers per hour across the area. A small chance of showers for Port Elizabeth, otherwise it's going to be a pleasant day across the area. Swells also with a height of 2 meters. And finally, along the eastern coastline of the country, southwesterly winds extend from East London all the way through to Richards Bay, getting up to 30 kilometers per hour for the KZN northern coastline. Swells across this area will be somewhat higher, averaging between 2 and 3 meters. High tide this afternoon at 24 minutes past 2.
News that moves. eNCA.com.